What up, peeps? What's the 411? What? I don't even know why I said that. Oh my god, I feel so funny. My curtains are just like, those curtains are such like grandpa curtains, abuelo curtains, no curtains. They're gonna go. But anyways, hello, what's up? I'm having my first maternity photo shoot today, and I am saying first because I'm so extra that I'm having 3. So just wanted to record, I guess, a little vlog. I don't know if I'll full on get ready with me because I'm not gonna go step by step with my makeup today, but my skin is prepped, of course. Guys, I don't know what it is. Hey, oh my god, F y'all. I hope they don't make a mess out there. I don't know what it is with the drama with this JLo brand, whatever, but I'm obsessed with the serum. Like, I don't know if it's just me. I feel like it's like a little Botox, stretches me out right away, and I'm wearing my Gleam and Glow sunscreen from MD Solar Sciences. I'm just gonna do my makeup, but I have to be honest, guys, I'm such a procrastinator. I'm gonna prime my skin, fill in my pores. I'm such a procrastinator that I literally picked my outfits for this photo shoot right now, and of course, you know, having complications because my pants don't fit, but we're gonna make it work. We really are. Oh, now y'all want to come in, right? All right, so my skin is prepped and primed. I made a video testing out the Mario, what is his last name? I can't even, no, not in the wrong way. I'm so outdated. I'm so like not in the move. What am I doing? I'm just trying to clean it a little bit because it was dirty. The By Mario desk. I'm not gonna say his last name. The By Mario foundation. I actually have still been using this. I really like it. But I found that my favorite way to apply it is with my hands. Girl, it makes your skin look so beautiful, so skin like such a glow, and it doesn't look like foundation. Like yeah, but no, like it really does not look like a full-on cakey foundation. It looks like your skin, but like a million times better. But however, I did mention in that video that I feel like it kind of comes off a bit. So my photo shoot is in an hour. I feel like I get ready pretty fast. I don't want anything to move on this face, so I'm thinking of mixing it with another foundation that is like matte, more full coverage. I don't know if it's the moment to be trying and inventing right now, but I still want to wear it, so I'm just gonna try it. But yeah, I like to apply with my hands. It's like, for me, my favorite way. And I've never been apply with my hands, apply foundation with my hands type of gal. So let's see how this goes. I just mixed the By Mario foundation with a little bit of my L'Oreal. Let's see, I think I put too much. What is that girl called? Oh my god, I feel like the girl, the girl on TikTok that does her makeup like this. Oh, no, I didn't. Meredith, where you at? I promise that when it's just the By Mario foundation, this looks better. But why would I do this? Can we fix this? I'm sure we can. Alright, so I'm not sure if it really worked out or not. I did self-tan yesterday, which my favorite brand mousse is Piel de Oro, which, oh my god, so dirty. Piel de Oro. So I do feel, and I did use it on my face, so I feel like my face be looking a little off because of that, but whatever. I think the foundation is gonna work. Everything comes together in the end. Now I'm gonna apply my concealer, the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Which one is this one? The Magic Touch Concealer, shade number 4. I've actually been loving this concealer. I got it on Ipsy. I shared with y'all. I'm not sure if someone just got home. Am I crazy? Ooh, 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 ooh. So I got rudely interrupted, but this puff is the best to apply powder. Stop looking at me. I can't record when I have people around me and you're shivering. No se puede. I bronzed up using the Hula bronzer, and one thing I cannot live without ever doing my makeup is my nose contour. It's literally a non-surgical nose job. Oh y'all, I have to be honest, I'm tripping out a little bit about my makeup because I do not have good lighting here, and I'm not sure if I'm doing this to my best ability. I just wanted to look good. I was gonna have my friend do my makeup, but I honestly, this photo shoot was like I'm a procrastinator. I'm not even gonna say it was from one day to another. I knew I had this photo shoot, but I just last minute I was like, should I ask my friend? And obviously you cannot ask people last minute like that, so doing my makeup myself, which it doesn't bother me normally. I like how I do my makeup better than how makeup artists do my makeup. I mean, it feels more comfortable for me, but she just does such a beautiful, like, glowy job at makeup that I really wanted her to do it. But as I mentioned, I'm extra, so I'm having like 2 more photo shoots, okay? Also, I already said this in my past video, but I'll say this again. I'm just obsessed with cream blush. Like, I don't know what I was doing. I mean, I was doing powder blush obviously, but what was I doing with my life? This cream blush is everything. This one from DC. Also, I can't wait. I'm getting a makeup vanity again, because girl, my feet are hurting right now. This bitch is pregnant. This bitch's talones are hurting. I just need a chair. I was gonna say a chair. No. Okay, I think we're starting to look a little bit more put together. Just trying to do a little something fun on my eyes. A little fun. But not like a full-on eyeshadow look, because I want to try to look natural. Putting eyeshadow on your lower lash line changes the game of your makeup. I always apply my setting spray before doing any highlighter. So, you know, I've always been one to be like super chill with mascara. Like, for example, I got this one in BoxyCharm from Il Makiage, and I got it in BoxyCharm and I just kept using that one, even though I knew that it wasn't really making my lashes look to their fullest potential. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Lashes. I'm just gonna show y'all. Okay, look at my lashes now, and let's see how this goes. You know, I hate when I say that I like something and then I put it on and I'm not sure what's going on. They don't look that, no, they don't look bad. Ugh. Does anyone feel like putting on mascara is like an addiction? You just can't stop. Alright, makeup is done. Just wanted to share with y'all that the best drugstore lipstick right now in the game, at least in my opinion, is this Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. Guys, trust me on this one. You will not go wrong. For me, it's amazing because I don't like liquid lipstick, like those really matte drying ones. This is like the perfect long-lasting lip crayon, which is like matte but not really like drying on your lips, and it looks so pretty and it will just last forever. Today I put on a nude shade. Normally I go for a little bit more of a light pink, but whatever. This is the look. I'm actually running late now. Yeah, I'm having such a hard time with my pants. This doesn't even go up, so I'm having a hard time. Oh my god, so typical that I'm gonna shoot today, and look at this weather, guys. Look at this weather. What? It's literally pouring outside. Hurricane type of shit. No, just kidding. But whatever. This is the first outfit, so this is what it is. Just the top and some jeans. This shirt is actually from Zara. I love it. It's my first time wearing it in these jeans. Believe it or not, they're from Shane. Sorry for the mess. Those are my other changes, okay? Hopefully this works out even with the rainy weather. Girl, ain't she big? She's so cute. Guys, I can't believe it. I literally forgot to vlog while I was doing the shoot. It was just so quick. I did 3 changes and it was in my house. The photographers brought their own lighting. It was chill. At first I was a little bit like, okay, they're gonna be like chill photos, but I looked at the pictures and I think they're actually coming out pretty bomb. It looks like we were in a studio, so let's see how that goes. I will show you guys the result. But yeah, to be honest, 6 months is a good time to do a photo shoot. At least for me, I already look really big in those pictures, but I had fun. And my makeup, I think it turned out good. So I guess, I don't know, I thought I was gonna vlog all day. I thought I was gonna vlog the experience. I thought I was gonna record myself, but I didn't. So I'm sorry about that, but thank you so much for watching anyways, and stay tuned for more videos. Oh my god, okay guys, so I think the pictures turned out pretty nice, pretty bomb. I really vibed with them. It was really cool that I did them in my own house. And I think they turned out pretty great, to be honest. I'm gonna be posting them on my Instagram, but I just wanted to share with y'all my pictures on here as well. But thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye. Look at this one, how cool.